ahead. Try to hit it. 2 whacks.
Lightning McQueen.
Whoa, nice one.
Now another one. Hit it again.
Digging in the dirt, maybe?
Good job.
Not bad. Okay,
Okay.
now it's Gabriella's turn.
Hey, do you guys know where your
Go
youngest son
out
is?
there. He's behind the bench.
Do you guys know where your youngest son is?
He's probably over eating dirt in the corner.
By himself. By himself.
Nice
Nice job, Abby.
Actually, it's Alex's turn and then yours, Cole. By 5 days.
Woo! Oh boy.
Woo! Okay, I'm thinking Mr. Hollander, right?
I didn't get Lukey getting us.
Okay, I got it.
Cole?
Oh,
Cole?
with Cole and
Two
Ethan.
hits, okay.
Two
Two
hits,
hits.
Cole. Ready? Woo! Alex!
Oh,
Okay, now.
good job, Cole.
Alex, behind the bench. Behind the bench. Okay, now it's Hannah's turn.
All right, Hannah.
Let's see those baseball skills.
Good job.
Woo!
Oh,
Okay.
Nice job, Hannah.
Okay, now
all right, Ethan.
Mr. Ethan.
Leave something to the little guys.
He's a baseball player, too.
No.
It's
no,
okay.
it's moving
That's
on.
what it does.
Cole,
It
go,
swings
go,
and then
go,
you
go.
hit it.
Back on the grass. Back on the grass.
Okay.
One
It's gotta be a
opportunity.
little harder.
We should fix the door on the end of... My love, we should fix the door. Or I guess it'd be the oil pan. I'm not-
The engine's coming out.
Can I hit it?
Yes, you can. Hit it twice. Can somebody else regulate for a minute?
Yep. One more.
Right.
All right.
Alex.
Jared, you want to do this?
No. Alright, regulate or...
Regulate.
Watch out for me.
Actually, Alex, it's
Watch out for
Gabriella's turn. Luke, get behind the bench.
Did my turn! Did my turn again!
Oh!
Woo!
Missed. Okay.
Good job,
Okay, now
Abby.
it's Alex.
Swing so hard.
Alex.
Woo!
Woo!
Good job,
that was
Alex.
good. Okay, now it's Hannah's turn, or Cole's turn, I'm sorry.
What a
Cole.
bunch of behaved little kids we have.
Go, 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 go.
Alex behind the bench.
Goodness.
Whoa!
Cole. 2 hands, Cole.
Okay, that's it, Cole. That's it.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
They're still pretty dang strong from one-handed.
Poor Lightning.
Poor lightning.
Still has a smile on his face, though.
So happy. You guys are beating him up.
Good. Now do it again. There you go.
Okay.
All right, Ethan. I'm starting to need candy now.
What happened?
Yeah, Luke, back behind the bench.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, these are...
No, they're hard.
Hard, Ethan.
Ethan, I want to see you give it one as hard as you can.
Let's do a third one.
Hit a hole in
I want
one.
to get a picture of Luke before it
Get it
breaks
out of the
open.
park.
Okay, it's okay. There. I didn't think he was actually going to open it up.
Oh, look, his nose is
All right,
poking
Luke.
out.
Yeah.
It's
Lukey,
almost
can you
there.
just stand by it before you hit
wanna
it for
turn?
Grammy so I can get a picture of you by it?
And Mandy,
Luke,
I think he'll be ready for a
Stand,
turn after.
stand
if that's
underneath
okay.
Lightning McQueen. Thank you, sweetie. Oh, Luke! Okay.
Okay, now hit it, kiddo.
Okay.
Give it a hit, and then...
Does Alex want to get a picture under it?
Oh!
There
Woo!
you go.
Okay, one
one more, Lukey, as hard as you can. Hit him in the mouth.
more. Okay, now let's let Elijah have a turn, okay?
Elijah. Do you want to
Here,
do it?
Oh,
Maybe not. Okay, I thought he wanted to.
Elijah, here.
Do you want to do it?
What did Teddy say?
Yeah, you can do it.
You can hit the
I
car.
can't.
Just grab it. Go over there and hit it. Go.
Okay,
No.
now, okay, everybody, all the kids, actually, all the little kids, let's get a bag for candy, and then I think it's the dad's turn to hit the car.
Whoa!
Okay,
Get
Alex,
there.
yeah, why don't you get back behind the bench? Okay, who's first?
You're not getting it.
Jared's younger.